Welcome back. This is the last session of the Health and Physiology Learning module. In this, we'll touch upon FAA medical certifications, continue our discussion about health, and incapacitations that interfere with safe operations. A crew member may not participate in the operation of an sUAS if they know or have reason to know that they have a physical or mental incapacitation which may interfere with the safety of the operation. So, all pilots except those flying gliders, free air balloons, and unmanned aircraft must possess valid medical certificates. Pretty easy. Here's a quick list of physical and mental incapacitations which may interfere with safe operations. A personality disorder manifested by overt acts or a psychosis, alcoholism or drug dependence, epilepsy or any unexplained disturbance of consciousness, temporary or permanent loss of dexterity, the inability to maintain see and avoid or situational awareness, very important. Any debilitating physical condition, such as but not limited to migraine headaches or debilitating pain. A hearing or speaking impairment which may impact safe operations. There's a side note to this. People with hearing or speaking impairments are not prevented from getting the sUAS certification or from operating an sUAS. If a person with a hearing or speaking impairment can prove that they can operate safely, they can do so.